Good morning, everyone. This is Dan Dunn from Marquette University's AIM program, and this week I'm pitching Baidu Inc., ticker BIDU. Baidu was founded in 2000 by Robin Li and Eric Chu after Li developed a search engine technology algorithm that ranked search engine results and filed a US patent for the technology. This was a technology very similar to that of Google's algorithm, and the founder of Google, Larry Page, has actually referenced Li's work in some of his early patents for Google's search system. Baidu allows advertisers to bid for ad space, and when the advertisement or search is clicked on, Baidu generates revenue paid by the advertiser. Baidu can be broken up into two distinct groups: Baidu Core, which provides various services, and IQIYI, the company's streaming platform, where they own a 56.2% stake. Baidu Core makes up roughly 70% of total revenue, with IQIYI, a Netflix equivalent for China, makes up the remainder. Baidu Core is driven by Baidu Search and its library of apps that include Haokan, Baidu Post, and Baidu Health. Baidu Core is also made up of the company's intelligent driving and transportation efforts, which is further made up of Apollo, the company's self-driving ride-sharing service that has been in operational testing. Apollo has accumulated over 10 million test miles and has 411 autonomous driving permits. Apollo Go is currently available in Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Changsha, and Changzhou. Apollo Navigation Pilot has partnered with 31 makes of cars so far, and this is expected to continue to grow. Smart transportation has been adopted by 24 cities in China, tripling that of last year, and is used to improve logistical issues on China's roadways. Now to touch on the factors that will be continuing to drive Baidu's growth. First, the intelligent driving, where the company has focused heavily on becoming the dominant player in autonomous ride-sharing in China through Apollo. The company was recently approved to begin charging customers for the autonomous rides, and it is expected that a fully autonomous system with no valet present will be available in the next 3 years. Currently, drivers have the largest costs, making up about 70% of costs for ride-sharing services. The company has also focused on developing infotainment systems that are being rapidly adopted in cars in China. Apollo is also an open platform, meaning it can easily be applied to other cars, and 31 makes are already planned to have Apollo-capable infotainment systems developed by Baidu. In smart transportation, cities have paid Baidu to use intelligent driving solutions to smooth traffic congestion and reduce accidents using their AI technology. AI Cloud will be the largest factor for the company in the coming years, as it has seen a 73% growth in revenue year over year. The company provides both public and private solutions, with the latter being a customized set of solutions that can adapt to various demands. For example, financial firms in China have been using Baidu's end-to-end cloud solutions to digitize and automate operational processes. A manufacturing province recently signed with Baidu to apply AI solutions for manufacturers, allowing Baidu to further penetrate into the industrial internet sector. In Lijiang, Baidu Smart City is being used to leverage the digitization of visitors, helping local authorities quickly detect and address illegal parking and littering. Finally, Baidu's wide array of apps and services have grown MAUs 12% year over year, and current daily users reached 79%, an all-time high, reflecting positive user experience. Managed Page, a hosted mobile alternative located within Baidu app, reached 43% of Q3 marketing revenue and provides e-commerce features and tools. Based on being the potential leader of the disruption of driverless ride-sharing services, an expanding AI cloud business, and a wide range of apps and services driven by the largest search engine in China, it is recommended that Baidu be added to the international AIM portfolio with a price target of $192.27, representing a 25.60% upside. In order to reach an intrinsic value for Baidu, a 5-year DCF model was constructed. Using a terminal growth rate of 2% and a WACC of 13.18%, an intrinsic value of $200.67 was reached. A sensitivity analysis of plus or minus 50 basis points on the terminal growth rate and WACC ranged from $186.43 to $217.46. Additionally, a price-to-earnings multiple valuation was calculated. Using a P/E of 23.7 and a weighted average P/E multiple of 22.4, This resulted in a relative value of $144.50. Finally, an EV/EBITDA multiple valuation was conducted using a weighted average multiple of 18.8 times, resulting in a relative value of $214.80. By weighing these three models 60-20-20, a price target of $192.27 was reached, resulting in a 25.60 potential upside. Some risks to quickly touch on here, and some of which are major factors to be considered. China has often made things difficult for search engines, with regulation changes becoming frequent. This has slowed growth in the past. Additionally, the recent delisting of Didi from the U.S. exchange provides substantial investor risk among Chinese companies. The management of the company has also seen some issues in the past, and Robin Li owns a 17% stake, which translates through 57% voting power through his Class B shares. James Ding has also been at the company for 15 years, and questions have been raised about his objectives. Finally, coronavirus waves have restricted travel at times, and this could be heavily detrimental for private AI cloud solutions, as often Baidu employees have to travel. Coronavirus has also heavily impacted advertising-generated revenue. Finally, here's the management of the company. Robin Li is the company founder and is chairman and CEO, and has been so since 2000. Mr. Li received a bachelor's degree in IS from Peking University and a master's degree from State University of New York at Buffalo. Haifeng Wang is current Chief Tech Officer and received his PhD in Computer Science. Rong Luo was recently appointed CFO and was CFO at TAL Education Group from 2013 to 2014 and held management roles at Microsoft and Lenovo. Luo holds a PhD in Management Science from Peking University.